Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to start science class. Already we have started keeping safe lesson number 6, keeping safe. So we have finished some concepts children. Today we are going to discuss about the topic health and safety. Health and safety. So apart from taking measures to keep safe at different places, we should also take enough measures to keep our body fit and healthy. To keep our body fit and healthy, what are the safety measures we will take? What are the health, how we will take care of our health? First, in order to keep ourselves fit and healthy means we should eat right kind of food. We should eat a right kind of food. What is the right kind of food? Eating nutritious food protects us from falling ill. Nutritious means having substances needed for a healthy life for living things. So we will take daily fruits and grains, multigrains, milk, egg. So proteins food will take it or not. So our food should consist of pulses, chapati, cereals, milk, lots of fruits and vegetables. We should not skip our meals. We should not overeat. We should avoid eating junk food. We should not take junk food. So we should eat at right time. Meals time means we should eat meals. Morning breakfast, lunch, dinner. Meanwhile, should take the fruits, dry fruits, snacks items. Okay, children. So, in order to keep ourselves fit and healthy, we should take correct food. We should maintain a balanced diet. Next step is exercise. Regular exercise also helps us to keep fit. It increases our breathing and and also helps our body to take in more oxygen. It increases our ability to fight diseases so that we fall in less often. We fall in less often. So, if we take correct food, nutritious food, and if you do the exercise regularly at morning time, evening time, then we should not fall ill. We should be healthy. We will feel healthy. So that's why we should maintain our body fit and healthy means we should take right food, healthy food, and we should do exercise regularly. Next activity is we should take rest also. There are various activities, playing, running, and we will get tired no after playing, running. When we take rest, we feel fresh. We feel fresh. It energizes us to do things. We should sleep for about 8 hours every day, and night time we should go early to bed so that you should sleep for about 8 hours every day. You should also sleep early at night and wake up early in the morning. Next, keeping clean. If we want to avoid diseases, we must keep ourselves and our surroundings also clean. We should brush our teeth in the morning, and before going to sleep also we must bath every day and wear clean clothes. We should always wash our hands before eating and after eating. So these type of healthy habits we have uh, studied in previous academic year also. What are the good habits means these only, and healthy habits also. Okay, we should always wash our hands before eating. We should not throw garbage anywhere like this. We should maintain these types of measures in order to keep ourselves healthy and safety, isn't it? Next, coming to the next topic is first aid. Have you listened first aid? Have you seen first aid box where you have seen when you are traveling in some buses? You have observed red box with plus symbol that is called first aid. Are you seeing this symbol? It indicates first aid. When we use this first aid box, when immediate requirement is that a person gets injured at any road accidents, so we should use this first aid box. Okay, sometimes in playgrounds also, playing with your friends, you suddenly fall, you will hurt the leg and started bleeding, then you should need immediate attention, isn't it? That means whenever we go with such an incident, we should have the first aid box. Okay, so then in first aid box, what are the items will be? Bandage, antiseptic lotions, and cotton. This will be there so that we will get immediate treatment using that first aid box. Temporary treatment, if at all it is major injury, we will go to the doctor for next continuous treatment, isn't it? So when you are work or at school, at sports, even on the roads, when you are with your families, or when an accident occurs to a person, a doctor or medical aid may not be readily available. So to save the life, immediate which is given before the doctor arrives is called only first aid. It's called only first aid. Understood? So this is about your keeping safe lesson. Hope you have understood well. So first aid means immediate help given to an injured person. Okay. So in your textbook also figures are there. Let us go through the figures in reading part. Okay, children. Thank you.